we go. Oh, 2 in a row. Come on, baby. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are in Vegas. That's right, Vegas. We're here for PBR. We're going to see some professional bull riding this weekend. We're working for Traxxas, of course. You know, got to represent. And we've got this nice new hotel room, courtesy of the Park MGM. They've been renovated. This is originally the Monte Carlo, and this is quite a bit better than it used to be. This is a lot better hotel now. It's a little expensive, but we're not paying for it. So anyways, we're going to see some bull riding this weekend. We're going to do some vending over at South Point Arena and switch over to the T-Mobile Arena each night after we've been at South Point Arena. So these are going to be super long days, but well worth it. This is cool, and who doesn't like Vegas? So let's go. Hey guys, so every day we start out at the South Point Arena, south of the Strip, so that's why it's called South Point. And we have a full setup here, full vending trailer, demo, display, and our new rock crawler climbing track. So we're doing that stuff here from 10 to 4:30, basically 5 o'clock, and then we're heading straight over to T-Mobile Arena. So I'm gonna show you guys around here, and then we're gonna head over to T-Mobile. I caught it. So we're standing here. It's a little slow at the event, and Tony walks up, and he's running the Rustler 4x4 here. It's pretty awesome, and he just runs it over here and just sees something right here. There's this nice, pretty white shoe, and then there's this one that's discolored. Oh wait, they're 2 different shoes. What are those? This guy has 2 different shoes on right now.
I'm putting my blue one back on.
Like, who does that?
Totally did.
That guy. That's you.
I was wondering why one felt better than the other.
Slow clap, slow clap, slow clap.
I can't believe I did it.
out here on the Jack Daniels lounge or patio or terrace. I'm not sure what to call it. We're waiting on the fans to grow outside. We're doing a little time-lapse video on the GoPro over here. And check out how the riders are being dropped off right here. So they get brought out in this short course truck or a trick truck, you know, and they hop out and they walk over here to the stage, get introduced, sign some autographs as they walk across, and the truck goes to grab the next rider. You know, goes and grabs them from the Park MGM over here. That's actually where we're staying. Drives right up into the valet, picks up the next rider, and brings them over. Pretty sweet. So we're out here right now waiting on the crowd to grow. So these guys will be inside here in just a second, and we'll see you guys inside right now. So this is the life when you work these events, because you eat $13 pizza. It's like a little 12-inch personal pizza, and you got $5 bottle of water, regular old 20-ounce bottle of water. This is what you got to do when you work these events. So for all you people that think, man, that's such a cool job, I wish I could do that. Well, it's not all glamorous. I mean, we're just kind of hiding behind here. There's people just walking by. We're just hiding behind the sign here, trying to eat pizza. It's not all glamorous, you know. I'm not a rock star. Alright, so we got hooked up. This is down on the Dirt Suite. The Dirt Suite 2 is this year. And we've got the best view in the house right now, boys.
10 seconds to get out of the box.
There he goes.
Well, he's on the clock. We got some drama going on with 15 seconds left to go for Alves. He's going to have to get out of here. He cannot afford the disqualification here in this round. Let's make this happen. There's 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Call it for him. Here we go. How did you do that? How did you do when you started? It doesn't have a timer. Like you. Oh, 2 down. 2 down. There you go, Flint. Yep. We're going to the test, to the ramp of death. Oh my gosh. Almost. The number 1 sellers are ready to run market when it comes to radio control vehicles. And apparently they're really durable. I feel like I'm driving in the school. Thank you.
Well, we made it. Another week in Vegas gone. We made it without losing all of our money. We made it through security at the airport, which is sometimes a beating. And we're finally on the way home. Flight's in a couple hours, so we'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to the channel. PBR was incredible. And we want to thank those guys for giving us the access to the dirt suite. That's the best view in the house for sure. So we made it through another week in Vegas. We didn't lose all our money. We made it through security, and we're on our way home. So we'll check you guys next time, and hope you have a good week.